Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well and had a good day in markets today. Let us quickly recap the price action of Nifty today on 11th of August. We will discuss the patterns, we'll discuss the entries, and we will later discuss what we expect tomorrow. So a good small pullback bull trend day today. What was I expecting going into the day? Let us have a look at the daily time frame here. Look at the sell-off here. Do you think this is a strong bear trend, or do you think this is a bear leg in a developing trading range? If you look at this prior low, we broke below this low and we found buyers and reversed up. If you look at this prior low, we broke below here with a big gap down and we had a reversal up. So when you had a bear bar here, a low and short sell signal here, what were you expecting? Do you think the bears will be looking to sell here, or do you think there will be buyers, a limit order buyers here, buying up for a scalp? The bears will only be looking to sell rallies here. This is a very weak bear channel. And we might be somewhere near the bottom of a developing trading range here. So I was only looking to buy if the market opened flat or if the market did open slight gap down. I was only looking to buy here. There were more likely buys around this low and sellers somewhere near the daily EMA. We have a spike, pullback, and a channel bear trend. So this is the start of the bear channel here. We might have a strong rally up all the way to the start of the bear channel high, and then the bears might come in. But I was not looking to sell down here. Also, there's one more pattern here. We had a wedge bottom here. The market then had a low to short and we broke out below this wedge bottom here. And after that, the market fell for another three legs here. One push, pullback, two push, and third push here. Now we have a second entry buy setup here. So this bull bar is a reasonable swing long on a daily time frame chart. On a 1 hour time frame, we will mark it clearly. It was a wedge bottom here. We broke out here, and now we have another three pushes here. Usually, when you have consecutive wedge bottoms, there is higher chance of a reversal up. Also, this is a trend channel line here. Whenever there is a breakout below a trend channel line, 70% of the time it fails and we have a reversal up within 5 hours. So this bar was a breakout below this trend channel line, and you can see within 4 bars we attempted a reversal up. Again, this bar attempted a breakout below, and this was more likely going to fail. The market was clearly oversold, and we were finding buyers at every prior low. So I was not looking to sell anywhere here. Unless we get a strong bear breakout, a strong bear surprise, a big gap down, and a strong sell off, I was only looking to buy around this zone. And usually, when the market breaks out below the trend channel line, 70% of the time it fails and approaches the trend line. Let me mark the trend line here. If you look at the trend line, we did approach the trend line today. Yeah, right here. So that is what usually happens. So today, if we were opening flat or slight gap down, I was only looking to buy. Now let us discuss the 5 minute time frame. How should we had traded today? First part of the day, we opened flat and we had a reversal up, consecutive bull bars with at least one closing near its high by the close bull trend. However, look at the bars to the left. We had a big down, and now we have a big up. That usually leads to a big confusion. I am willing to buy high only if there is a clear bull breakout above this prior high, or else I was only looking to buy lower. This big down, big up usually results in big confusion and trading range. In trading range, you should only be looking to buy low and sell high, which is why I was not looking to buy around the zone. Also, I was not looking to sell because overall on the daily time frame, I was more bullish than bearish. And around the prior low, yesterday low, I was only looking to buy. This buyer, bar 8, we did get a sell off. We did not break below the bar 1 low, and this bar 8 was a high low double bottom with bar 1 low. Also, if you see bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar. So this bar 8 was also a high to buy setup. High low double bottom with bar 1, high to buy setup, reasonable swing long above bar 8. We went up, we did pull back here on bar 12 and another bull reversal bar here. Also, if you see, we have three pushes down now, bar 1, bar 8, and bar 12. That makes the case of a triangle. Triangle is nothing but a breakout mode pattern. 50% chance we will break out below, 50% chance we will break out above, and 50% chance the first breakout up or down is going to fail. This was a reasonable swing long, bar 12. 40% chance that we will get a breakout and a measure move up, which is what we got today. High probability to buy after a bull breakout. After bar 14 or bar 15, after you get consecutive bull bars, series of bull bars closing near its high, closing above this triangle open here, there is 60% chance that we will go for some kind of a measure move up here. And you can see we went for exact measure move from this higher low, bar 8 low, to the triangle top. And then we had a wedge shop here. So right now we are at a measure move target. We have a wedge shop, or you can also call it as an expanding triangle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you look at all the bars to the left, we're also somewhere near the top of the trading range. So multiple reasons to go short below the bar 27 low. Reasonable swing short here. High probability sell after a clear bear breakout below bar 24 low. Let me mark this prior low here. Look at the breakout below this prior low. We did breakout below, but then we have a doji. Then we have another doji, bar with tails. Disappointing for the bears. And whenever there is disappointment for the bears, all you should expect is trading range. Bulls here had a strong bull rally and now have a deep pullback, so they will be disappointed. Bears, who have gotten a bear breakout below the bar 24 swing low, are unable to create the urgency, unable to create weak bear bars closing on the lows, which is going to cause disappointment for them. And once we started having a pullback, trading range was more likely than a strong sell-off here. You could also say this is an expanding triangle, another expanding triangle bottom here with the sixth leg here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sixth leg here. However, after six bear bars, you cannot buy above bar 32. Not a good buy signal bar. Was bar 33? Yes, good entry bar. But higher probability was to wait for a second entry buy setup or buy after you get series of bull bars closing near its high. You got a good bull bar here. You got good bull bar closing near its high here. You did have a pullback and a high one buy setup and then a high two buy setup here. All of that was signs of bull strength. Multiple bars closing on their highs. Also, today we had a lot of early bull bars. Three bull bars closing on their high here. Six bull bars here. Four bull bars here. About four bull bars here. All of those were signs of relentless buying pressure. Yes, overall we were in a trading range, but usually in trading range, when the bulls are showing more strength, it is a sign of an early bull breakout, which is what we got today. So once you started having a lot of bull bars closing on its high, and you can also see we started having gaps. We did break out above this high. We did pull back, but we did not close the gap here. Did not close the gap here. We did pull back here, but we did not close the body gap here. Another breakout here, another gap here. Once you started having gaps and body gaps, or at least two gaps, that is a clear sign of a small pullback bull trend. Yes, the follow throughs were weak. There are tails, there are dojis, there is a bull breakout and weak bull breakout, a bar with a big tail here. You can also say this was a clear wedge top here with bar 3, bar 27, and now bar 46. However, when the rally is this tight, you should only look to buy a pullback rather than looking to short here. There was hardly any selling pressure in the past 10 bars here that you could have gone short below bar 46. Also, a bull sell signal bar is a weak sell signal bar. All you had to do is wait for a good buy, maybe above bar 48 or above bar 50. breakout, pullback, high one buy setup, buy, breakout, pullback, IY buy setup, bar 62, high, buy. Whenever there is a small pullback bull trend or a tight bull channel, you have to buy for any reason. Buy above bars, buy above bars like above bar 41, above bar 50, above bar 48, above bar 56, above bar 62, or buy below bars like below bar 46 low, below bar 49 low, below bar 59 low, buy bear closes like 66, 56, bar 40. You can buy for any reason. The best The best thing to do whenever there is a small pullback bull trend is to buy above a bull bar closing on its high. There were so many bull bars closing on its high. You could have bought above any of this bar here and held your position for a swing, and you would have made money by the end of the day. So interesting day today. You could also say this bar 64 was a exhaustive buy climax. If you look at all these bars here, this bar was the biggest bar in past so many bars and is clearly an exhaustive buy climax. However, when the selling pressure is this less and the market is in a small pullback bull trend, the reversal down is only going to be minor. You look at this, we got bar 66, a big bear bar closing on its low. However, we did not even close the gap with bar 61 high. We may continue to rally up. So even if there is a buy climax in a small pullback bull trend, do not look to go short. Only buy after there is a minor reversal down. So we had sort of sideways and a weak bull channel until midday here. We have higher lows, we have higher lows and higher highs. However, we were getting good bear bars here, good selling pressure. But once we started having this small pullback bull trend, the market just continued to rally up all the way till the measure move target and near this bear trend line. So interesting day today. Now, what do I expect tomorrow? Usually, now hear me carefully. Usually, when the market, let me explain it like this. This is a weak bear leg here, a very weak bear leg. So I am expecting the market to pull back here, maybe go all the way till the bear channel high. At minimum, let me show you on the 1 hour time frame here. This is the major lower high for the bears. A lot of bears who are on a swing shot will have their stops above the high of this bar, which is 24,634. Minimum, the bulls will want to get above this high. Even if we do get a pullback here, even if we do go sideways or get even a deeper pullback, I am expecting a second leg up. At minimum, I am expecting the market to break above this. Now the bulls are strong. They will not make another lower low here before breaking above this lower high. And the next target for the bulls will be this previous week high. If you look at the weekly chart, we have been down for about 6 weeks here. I'm expecting sellers above the high of this bar, which is 24,736. So we might rally all the way till 24,736 before we find sellers here. And if we continue to go up, the next target for the bulls will be all the way till the bear channel high. But these targets, I'm explaining these targets might be for the coming days, for the coming weeks. But for tomorrow, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, we have a big up, we have a big down, and we have a big up again. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow? Sideways is likely. Also, usually when the market has a buy climax day, we have follow through buying. 50% chance we will have follow through buying on open. And then 75% chance we are going to stay sideways for at least 2 hours tomorrow. Let me give you some examples. Here, we had a buy climax day. Instead of just going sideways, we had a strong sell off the next day. Let me give you more examples. Here, we had a good buy climax day here. Next day, we just went sideways. Another bioclimactic day, bull rally, trading range, and towards the end of the day, we closed as a bioclimactic. And look at how the next day looks like, sideways here. So what do I think is going to happen tomorrow? If we do open flat, or if we do open slight gap down or slight gap up, I will be looking to buy at least till this major lower high. Expect the market or the bulls to break out at least above this high. So I will be looking to buy. I will be looking to long here at least till 24,634. And if the market continues to break out above with strong bull closes and strong bull rally, I will be expecting the market to test this previous week high, 24,736. But this I'm explaining only for the first few hours of the day. After maybe around 10 o'clock, 10:30, around 11 o'clock, I'm expecting the market to go sideways for almost the rest of the day. So tomorrow, I will be looking to go long on open. Towards midday, I'm expecting the market to stay sideways. We might get a EOD buy rally towards the end of the day, maybe around 2 p.m. or after 2:30. I'm not expecting a big move down. We went up, we went down, we went up again sharply. I'm not expecting the market to have a big swing down. If I do take short anytime tomorrow, it will only be for a scalp, not for a swing. If I do go long, it will probably be for a swing. But I'm not looking to go short for a big swing down. I'm not expecting that tomorrow. So tomorrow, most likely I will be only looking to have a bull bias tomorrow towards the first towards the open of the day, maybe in the first 1 hour of the day, I will be looking to buy, and towards the end of the day, I will be looking to buy for a swing. Towards midday, there's 75% chance that we will remain sideways to down. So I might take a shot, but only for a scalp, not for a big swing down. I'm expecting tomorrow midday to be most likely have a trading range behavior. So that's it for today. The market should remain bullish at least until we approach the daily EMA. The bears will look to short somewhere around the previous week high or around the daily EMA. But if we continue to keep going up, we might approach the bear channel high in the coming days. But for tomorrow, we might have a small bull bar here. That's it. Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching. Best of luck for tomorrow.